Hey guys, watch this video for Friday, June 16th, showing you the SPY daily, which gapped down today, but pretty low volume day and traded in a pretty, let me go to 15s, maybe 30s. I'm pretty narrow range today. Back to 5s, just sideways for the first, few hours, then a little sell off and then bounce right back. So anyway, a boring day for me. But there should be, I'm feeling pretty good about the watch list for tomorrow. I'm going to go right into it here. Several of the bounce plays that we had on watch coming into today did not give A+ setups, so there were no trades in them, but they're still set up, okay? And SPCE is one of them. Another red day. You guys know the setups we look for in chat. MDIA had the big pop. Now we're 3 days lower. Tiny volume today compared to the last few days. Certainly, and kind of settled at the 8 day. So kind of a good looking one there. MITQ did bounce today, but it didn't give a setup because look what it did. It opened and just ran for the first 10 or 15 minutes. Even had, I think, a halt or two in there. And so there was no A+ setup, and then it ended up bleeding lower the rest of the day. So I am going to, it did put in a higher low over yesterday's low and did have that nice pop at the open. So I'm going to watch it, but I would actually have preferred another down day to make me like the setup more. CPOP, a narrow range, biggest volume ever, including opening day, but still closing near its low, so that goes back on bounce watch. NEGG, another red day, hit the 20 day, one of the more interesting ones in my opinion. TPST had this, it literally ran from 1053 to over 40 bucks in 2 sessions, right? But then sold off now for what, 4 sessions in a row. A little bit of a bottoming tail today, but anyway, that one goes on bounce watch again. AGRI, new issue that went to all-time lows today, but did put in a bottoming tail. That one goes on bounce watch. XELA, really nice move from 2 to almost 550. Now you got a couple red days in a row, back down to the 8 day, declining volume last couple days too. So that's a good bounce play setup. BON had the big pop yesterday, an inside day today. We're going to keep that one on watch. RCAT, still showing some strength, so I don't love it, but we're going to watch it. EVGO had a nice sounding headline today and ran from 1040 to 1350, but settled all the way in down here by 12. But certainly worth having on watch for tomorrow. ALZN, you got to kind of squint to see it, but it definitely had bigger volume today than it's had in a couple weeks and seems to have put in support around 6. So yesterday's high, 716-ish. Today's high, 717. So you got a possible kind of a 2-day high break tomorrow. We're going to keep our eyes on that one. A couple more. YVR had this massive volume today and a strong close. Definitely worth watching for a follow-through setup tomorrow. And then lastly, AEHR, which is gapping in after-hours trading. Right now, as I'm talking, 331. So potential gap play tomorrow. Not sure if they had earnings or what, but we'll keep our eyes on that. We'll add other gappers in the pre-market. Plenty to watch, and I'm going to quit babbling and keep it short and sweet tonight. And we'll see you guys in the chat room in the morning.